Hi, my name is Yedoh. I'm the president of marketing of Team 694 StuyPulse, and today I'm here to talk to you about organizing a fundraiser. So your team can do a couple of events. So your team can host book sales, bake sales, or even apparel sales. So book sales are great if you want to promote STEM to your neighborhood or to the students in your school while raising money. So what our team does, we host biannual book sales on the corner of our school block, and then we demo previous robots, and we also just sell books. In addition, we also hold bake sales. So bake sales are great if you want to engage the students in your community, so in your school. So we host book sales on Halloween, Christmas, Valentine's Day, and even St. Patrick's Day. In addition, we're planning to start apparel sales this year. So we are planning to auction off t-shirts from previous years, from like the early 2000s. So there are a lot of things that need to be organized beforehand. So first you have to get the permit. So if your school requires a permit to sell food, or if you need to rent a space, your city also probably requires a permit if you want to be on like public space. So definitely get the permit set up. Make sure to get the whole event through with your advisor or your coaches. Make sure to give your students permission slips. So the permission slip should have your students' contact information as well as their parents' contact information, and it should also have signatures of both the student and the parent that basically acknowledge their permission. And in addition, make sure to have parents, make sure to have adults at your event, so whenever something goes wrong, you have somebody to fall back on. And yeah, just make sure like logistics wise you have everything ready. Make sure to have all your materials ready for the event, and yeah. So there are a lot of ways where you can promote your fundraiser. So first, you can put up posters inside your school so that people are aware that you are hosting this fundraiser. You can make a Facebook event or an Eventbrite if you do want to engage more people and have the information spread out, like reach out to a lot more people. You can also have student announcers announce it in the PA system if your school has a PA system. And yeah, you can also reach out to your local FIRST people. So for us, we reach out to New York City FIRST, and through them we're able to reach out to all the FIRST teams in like the New York City area. So some general tips: have fun. That is the biggest tip that I will give. Yes, organizing and managing everyone and just like logistics wise, it is very complicated, but at the end of the day, you do want to have fun with your event. You are spending time with your team, you are trying to raise money for your team, and you're trying to promote STEM if your event does promote STEM. So yeah, in that way, just have fun. Just also definitely set up some rules and guidelines for the event, so your members or people who are coming know how they should behave and what they shouldn't do and what they should do at the event. And yeah, there's like some general tips. But yeah, have fun, good luck planning your event, and hopefully your fundraiser goes well.